No matter where you live, we all worry about the safety and security of our home and the people in it. That's why we've created a totally connected system of smart home and security products that lets you know what's going on in your home, like smart sensors for your windows and doors, motion sensors that alert you to activity in your home when you're away, and intelligent video cameras that automatically start recording when motion is detected or the alarm is triggered. It's a system of products working together throughout the house that helps you breathe easy, knowing your home is safe. Even when you can't see them, they're always there, helping protect your home from potential damage. Day or night, if something does happen, you'll know about it immediately. And we'll get a call from our team so you can get help if you need it.
Miss Jensen, is everything okay?
Oh, we're fine. We're just burning some cookies.
We're not just creating a safer, smarter home.
We got cookies cooking in the oven.
We're providing peace of mind. Your front porch is a big part of your life, and Vivint Smart Home lets you stay connected to it wherever you go.
Hey, girls. Hi, is Tommy here? Yeah, he's right here. Tommy, look who it is.
Mom. I'll text you later.
Even when you're away, it's a place you want to keep an eye on, especially when important visitors drop by.
Hey, girls.
Hi, Miss Medina. We have your cookies for you.
Okay, great. You know what? Let me open the front door for you, and you can leave them inside.
It's a place that deserves protecting.
Can I help you?
Sorry, wrong house.
A place where the people you care about can come and go, and where you can keep them safe while they're there. Your front porch is an important part of your home, and Vivint Smart Home can help you stay connected to it from anywhere. Finger.
Hey Google.
It's easy to get hands-free help around the house.